The finals back in Dallas, Texas for the first time. Johnson using his strength today.
It's really strong, so while it can happen, it's just unusual to have that tendon pop out of place. I was told the recovery time, generally around 6 to 8 weeks, could require surgery. The Celtics are calling for his day-to-day.
Such a tough time once again for Porzingis. 10 games with the calf injury. Had that magnificent game one, played well in game two. And the Celtics will now have word going further in this finals. George nice play from Irving. A very smart inbounds pass. Smart inbound pass, but that is a tough finish on him. Porzingis gets away inside. And an excellent start for Doncic. We've already seen the Mavericks getting to the rim. Irving in the paint, floats it up and in. Gorgeous move. The Kyrie Irving, it's all hit lob. And this is the largest lead of the finals.
Well mga kabisdak, sa mga mahilig laro ng online game dyan, so meron akong recommend sa inyo na laro. Ito yung 777 PNL mga kabisdak.
77 PNL, napakalaming games sa ng Mines, Super Ace, at madami pang iba. Pero nalaroin natin dito sa 77 PNL, ang Super Ace. At let's G! Nakapagbenta tayo ng 200 pesos. Okay. Oh, 160 agad guys, oh. Kita-kita nyo naman. Oh, di ba? Napakadaling manalo dito sa Super Ace sa 77 PNL. Ayan guys. Oh, 5,000 agad guys. Oh, 200 lang nilabas kong pera. Grabe. Napakadaling manalo dito sa Super Ace. Kaya guys, pag maglaro kayo dito sa 77 PNL, Super Ace ang lalaruin nyo guys kasi sobrang daling manalo. Ayan guys.
So yun mga kabisdak, mag-register na at manalo dito sa Super Ace sa 77 PNL lang yan mga kabisdak. Sa mga gusto mag-register mga kabisdak, sa comment section lang po yung ating link.